Hello and welcome to this video on OBS, a free open source screen recorder and broadcaster. I just use it for screen recording. It's a very solid program for doing that. You can set up scenes. I'm not quite sure how they work, but I just think it's a set of capture devices and you can swap between them, but I only have the one and I've called that Geoff 01. But the main thing here is in sources. And I've added my desktop audio, my microphone, and the display of the desktop. If you want to do that, add a source, you just click the plus button and you go through and you click display capture if you want your display, for example. And there are settings in there that you can work through. Also, once you've got that set up, you'll see this infinite recursion window, I guess. So you click on it. You may have to drag these borders around to fill the size that you want recorded. The other thing that I would recommend looking at is the settings, and you may have to change, for example, audio, change your microphone in there. But the main thing is hotkeys. You can use those to start, stop and pause and unpause OBS while it's recording. But there's a lot more to it. You can search for other more detailed tutorials in YouTube on how to use OBS. This is just a brief introduction and just to let you know that it is an option. Anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye for now.